While Joint Finance met in one wing of the Capitol, the 4 Democrats on the 10-member Joint Legislative Audit Committee pressed hard on the WEDC in a separate meeting room. Fox 11's Laura Smith was at that meeting at the Capitol today. And Laura, you have the latest on what happened during what was an hours-long public hearing.
Quite a few hours, Tom. A report by the Legislative Audit Bureau that raised a lot of questions and sparked some heated exchanges between Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation leaders and Democrats. Now, the audit found the WEDC didn't always follow the law, didn't adequately track loans, and gave money to ineligible companies. Tonight, we have balanced coverage. The Joint Legislative Audit Committee met Thursday morning to discuss a report on the WEDC's operations. First, state auditors presented their findings. Democrats asked whether the organization helped create any jobs during the last 2 years.
I'm not sure if we know if any jobs were actually created. Can you help me understand Table 11 and help me answer the question my constituents have, which is this agency creating jobs?
Senator Kathleen Vinehout questioned a section of the report that shows WEDC loans and grants have created or saved around 5,000 jobs during the 2011-2012 fiscal year.
Because WEDC does not verify any of the information reported to it, it's difficult to assess the accuracy of the number of jobs that WEDC reported as having been created or retained as a result of its programs.
WEDC officials said they're working on improvements, such as firmer policies and a new computer system to better track information.
The report as it's presented does not reflect an organization that we wish it to be. And I think each audit, each review adds to our roadmap of how we can improve the organization.
Democrats also asked the agency about a section of the report which claims the WEDC broke the law several times.
What I hear is the agency being pretty combative about the assessment of breaking the law, when I would hope that you would be doing everything in your power to make sure everyone in the organization obeys the law.
Reasonable people can sometimes disagree on the interpretation of what is required by a statute. I assure you our entire organization, top to bottom, intends to comply with the law.
Republicans who control the audit committee expressed a few concerns, but were not as critical of the WEDC. They said they want to work with Director Reed Hall and see the agency succeed.
We have made significant strides, but that, as you said, there's always more work for improvement and more need for improvement.
Any budget plan concerning the WEDC would still need to be approved by the State Assembly and Senate and signed by Governor Walker.